Hello all, a barefaced Denise Undiscovered here, welcoming you back to my channel. Come on, let's go. We got a lot to do today. I know you're wondering why did I come on camera looking... Listen, I have an explanation. So earlier in our Vlogentine journey, we used the hot water method to dye Brittany a lavender color. Today we're going to see the results of that, but before we get into that, we are going to do a makeup look to really bring her out, to really show how she got her groove back. When people think of Valentine's Day, it's usually shades of pink, shades of red. My favorite color is purple. My wig is purple. We gonna get into a purple look today. By no means am I a professional, so you guys can take my tips as they come, apply it to what you already do, and whatever works for you. I'm just gonna show y'all what works for me. That's just a thesis. So we gonna jump into that. Okay, so the first thing I always start off with is my brows. The first thing I do is take my spoolie and brush these bad boys out, up, and over to basically make the shape that I want my brows to be. Now I'm gonna go in with my pencil. This is a Maybelline Expert Wear pencil. Get a brow pencil. It don't even gotta be a brow pencil, just get a pencil. Dark brown, black, brown, whatever color these are, get a pencil that color. I'm just gonna start from the beginning, go up, curve down, make sure you turn your head, because your brows continue. And now I'm just gonna fill in the rest. I'm keeping the strokes light. I'm keeping them short. I'm not dragging. And I'm getting heavier as I get towards the end. Look at that. You're gonna use your spoolie. This is your blending tool for your brow. Whenever you think you get too dark, blend it out. That's basically a tip for all makeup. Blend it out. Blend, 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 blend. That's it. Just keep blending. I'm just gonna move on over to the other one. Exactly what I told you. Turning my head, keeping the strokes light, short. Your eyebrows should be cousins,
but not sisters.
They're not identical. And I have a favorite eyebrow. One loves me back way more than the other one does. Okay, now I'm just gonna go back into this one. I like my brows arched. While I don't try to stray away from my natural shape, I have not got these bad boys done in a minute. So sometimes I just gotta add some body to help us out. Now, like I said, I'm trying to keep this makeup look simple, so I will not go in with any more other products because I use my makeup can get pretty complicated. So I'm just gonna try and stick to being simple and making it work simply. So now with my brows, now that the shape is there, sort of, we're just gonna brush through it one final time. Get them, make sure you get the beginning. You don't want your brows to look boxy. You want it to look like a little faded ombre effect in the beginning, and then it gets darker. Now I'm gonna go into my concealer. I use the Nars in the shade Caramel. This is upside down. It is in the shade Caramel. And I'm just gonna outline the bottom very lightly. I'm barely using any product. You'll see. Once again, I'm not using long strokes because I get more accuracy with shorter strokes. And do the same thing on the other brow. And like I said, since I have not done my brows in a hot like 3 weeks. She ain't doing that bad for 3 weeks, but I am using the concealer to perfect my shape. Now I'm gonna go over the top. Blocking, you guys. Now I'm gonna blend the concealer on the bottom of the eye downwards and the one on the above the eye upwards. I'm just gonna add a little bit of concealer also to the front of the brow. Blend, 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 blend. Now I'm gonna move on the top. I hate this part. The top is so hard for me. Usually I would go in with pomade. Not today. Alright, and now we are done with our brow look. Next up is my Fenty Moroccan Spice Palette. I'm gonna go in with this cute little mauve number called Fizz Up. And I'm just going with a fluffy brush. You add more color as you go along. And I am keeping this motion to keep it as blended and even as possible. So it doesn't just look like, doesn't look really blotchy, doesn't look really cakey. And this is helping it stay within the borders. No Trump. So I'm just gonna keep on adding that color. That's one thing I love about this Moroccan Spice palette is that it's very, very buildable. Fenty Beauty in general is very, very buildable and it's very pigmented. I'm gonna go in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. 3 purple colors. I'm gonna play around with them. Let me use first. Look at her. And I'm gonna go from here and drag her on out. But I'm not dragging her all the way through. I want to use the dark purple to kind of like smoke it out on the side. I'm gonna go in with Barney this time. Barney's coming to play. And I'm gonna drag that in the beginning. At this point, it's gonna be battle of the shades. Who gonna shine brighter? No Rihanna. It's not even her palette. So now I'm gonna go back in with that dark purple, the plum, right here. She's not looking that dark no more. Maybe she needs some backup. I think she do. Add some black to the corner so I can smoke her up a little bit more. Like with me. I'm gonna add that much. I'm just gonna tap that color in there on each side. So it's there because black is a color you don't want to mess around with and mess up with. We'll then use the old brush that we use with the purple. Bring her back out here. Now we're going to use her to blend. Like I said, blend, 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 blend. Trust the process and blend. Now I'm going back to my Moroccan Spice palette and I'm going to use the color Nuts and Dates. Yeah, Nuts and Dates. And it is the shimmery purple color, dark purple. And just to make that little pop, I'm gonna add it in the middle right here. Kind of a transitional. And I'm staying on my crease. Okay, now cut that bitch. Like she owe you money, like she been talking shit, like you finally caught her outside after she been popping all that shit on the gram. It's lit for you. It's lit. Now I'm about to slice and dice like you live in the fucking Bronx. So yeah, let's cut our crease. Use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk. I'm not even gonna do a full cut crease because I like the smokiness of the tail of my eye. So I'm just gonna cut to the beginning and then blend it out. Like the bitch owe you money, but you see her out with her fucking friends on Snapchat. Oh, so you ducking from me. Heard you, sis. And then you gotta tell the other eye to keep that same energy. You wanna make sure that the white coverage is almost identical to the other side, because then you'll have different shades on your lids, because the white does make a difference, just like in society. But that's tea for another time. Now I'm gonna use my finger and blend out the back so it blends in with the color. You can see the difference. Now I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette. Look at all these fucking bait colors. It's so cute. Definitely recommend it. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with Kaleidoscope. So I'm only applying it into the beginning because I'm going to use a different color in the tail. And down helps you apply to only the cut area. Trying to stay in the cut like peroxide. Alright. I'm gonna go in with Gleaming. Add it to the tail. And then I'm gonna go in with Borealis at the end because I just can't help myself. So when I use the tape and I use dark colors in the tail, I usually don't do eyeliner because you barely see it when I put the lashes on. And the only reason why I would use the eyeliner is to do a wing, and this is kind of like low-key a wing, so you'll see the flex, don't worry. I'm going in with my Fenty Pro Filt'r primer. Bitch is almost done. As you can see, the struggle is real, but we gonna make it work.
To become secure,
I really should be getting all up in there, but it's just gotta bang. I'll be okay. Now that I'm all primed up, it's time to go in with my Fenty Filt'r foundation in the color 400. Now this looks really light, but it oxidizes. So make sure if you go into Sephora looking to buy Fenty products, you let them oxidize. I apply foundation in different ways, but with this specific foundation, I use a brush because I feel that the Beauty Blender eats it all up. Y'all see the difference in my face though?
but your value is something you have to find for yourself.
Foundation. I'm going to conceal. Nars.
Value without it. I like this.
I'm gonna wet my brush with the Mario Badescu aloe, cucumber, and green tea spray. And now we bake. Take my fluffy brush and brush it all over. Okay, now we are going to contour. I use Fenty Beauty's Matchsticks in the color Espresso.
Representation.
So
Everything is merely a
use
description.
again another flat top brush, and I just push it inwards.
Others recognize me as me. But then, what am I? Is this me? My true self? My fake self? What is it that I am?
Now, I like a sharp contour, so I go back in with my Nars Creamy Concealer. Now for my favorite part, highlight. I'm gonna try and keep it simple, but I can't make you any promises. I love mixing highlights, so once I just look on over at my highlight section, I will try to control myself. Already keeping it simple from start. I'm gonna use my Fenty Matchsticks in the shade Cinnamon. to put these lashes on. And we're
My clothes, my shoes, my
I think
room.
we're finished with the eyes now. Great, now let's set. I set with the Mario Badescu spray again. I usually use rose water, but that is upstairs in my room and I don't feel like going up there and getting it. So I'm gonna set with this. And I said a lot, so.
But I don't understand myself. Where am I? What am I? What am I?
Gloss, lipstick, gloss or lipstick. Oh, I forgot, I'm gonna keep it simple, so I'm going to stick with gloss and use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow, the original one.
What is this? A world of
Damn,
nothing?
girl.
A world with nobody in it? This is the world of
So here's the face. Now I'm gonna go get the hair to make it a look.
a world
Be
in
back.
which you have no restriction. Is this really freedom?
Oh, my knee. So she's still very dry, but she took the color. I don't know if you guys can see it in this light, but it's lilac. I love it. It's like lilac and gray, and I love the color. I wish you guys can see the color better. On what I'm looking at right now, it just looks gray. But scale toner, she took the photo. I'm gonna go take some selfies on Snapchat. I'll holla at y'all later. Okay, so this is it, and it's a wrap. Big.